Barcode scanners are great to use in ODOO, but if you don't understand what a barcode scanner is or what a barcode is, it's going to limit how you can use it inside of ODOO. In my other video, I break down what a barcode scanner is and what a barcode is. But if you're past that point, we can go ahead and talk about how you can use these to their best advantage inside of ODOO. So in ODOO, we have an app called Barcode. If we click into it, we can actually scan different operation types to bring up that operation automatically. Now you're probably already aware of this, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time with this app right now. But what we are going to talk about is how you can use barcodes in other situations. So I've got my trusty scanner and I've got some barcodes here. We're going to look at how we can use these. So at its very base, a barcode is just a super efficient way for us to get information that's printed back into our system. As long as we have our cursor set, we have our barcode scanner and our barcode, we can scan our barcode and have it go into any field inside of the system. So let's imagine a scenario here based on this information that we now have. Let's say we're a high volume company, meaning we sell a lot of different products, and we don't want to spend a ton of time creating those products. Most consumer facing products have a barcode. When we receive a new product in the warehouse, we could use our mobile device to create a new product, then go down to the barcode field, scan that barcode, and then what we could do is we could push that out to Google, which is a base functionality inside of ODOO, and it would grab the picture for the product for us. So that may sound pretty cool, but let me show you something really cool. Let's imagine you don't have one of these barcode scanners, but your people down on the shop floor do have an Android device, or potentially an iOS device. There's actually an app for Android, and I'm sure for iOS as well, that adds a little button right here that makes it so that you can scan a barcode just like you're using a keyboard. So you basically only need a mobile device to get all this barcode functionality. And don't worry, I'll link the app in the description below. So between this video and the last one, you have a ton of tools to use barcoding in your system. This can help make your people more efficient in so many ways, and I'll leave that to your imagination. But now that you have the tools, go out and apply them. Good luck.